Okay, it has been a minute. My name is FPEZ. Today I'm just sharing a great location that's based here in Seoul, well, just outside of Seoul, in Hanam. It's a different city, but basically it's Seoul, where you can fly and practice your FPV. So I'm going to put a pin to it on Neighbor Map in the description. Basically it has a big open field where you can just fly around and practice doing different maneuvers, I guess. It's specifically for flying drones and aircrafts. So you don't have to worry about getting a permit. You don't have to worry about really anything. It's just a place to go practice flying your drone or any other aircraft you might have, small unmanned aircraft. There were a bunch of trees, but the cherry blossoms were out, so we did fly around the cherry blossoms a little bit. Otherwise, that's it. Just one location where you can fly your FPV here in Seoul, kind of in Seoul. It's on the east side, Hanam. I put a pin to it below if you want to go there and you have an FPV and you just want to fly around and practice. And you can I've met some other FPV pilots there. So if you want to start meeting some FPV pilots here in Korea, that's a good place to go as well. I think on the weekends, there's a club that go. I met them. I didn't record. There's just a bunch of older guys, actually. One FPV pilot and one guy with some planes. Yeah, that's about it. Hope this was useful if you ever come to Seoul and want to fly your FPV and don't know where to go.